let's dive into the world of property management software by comparing two of the industry leaders, Guesty and Lodgify. These platforms help property managers automate their operations, but they have different strengths. Guesty is an end-to-end solution designed to simplify the complex operations of property management companies. Lodgify, on the other hand, is a vacation rental software that allows owners and managers to easily create their own accommodation website and manage all their reservations. Let's take a look at the features. Guesty offers a range of features including property management, channel management, unified inbox, automation tools, reporting, and a mobile app. Lodgify also offers a variety of features such as website builder, reservation system, channel manager, and a booking engine. However, Guesty provides a few more advanced features like revenue management and guest communication services, which are not available in Lodgify. Now let's talk about pricing. Guesty operates on a quote-based system, meaning you'll need to contact them for a personalized price. Lodgify, on the other hand, offers transparent pricing with plans starting at $23 per month. While Lodgify's upfront pricing may seem more appealing, Guesty's personalized approach means they can tailor a package to your specific needs, potentially saving you money in the long run. In terms of user experience, both platforms are designed to be user-friendly. Guesty has a clean and intuitive interface with a number of tutorials and guides to help users. Lodgify also boasts a simple, easy-to-use interface. However, some users have reported that Lodgify's interface can be slow and that the platform has a steeper learning curve compared to Guesty. Let's move on to integrations, which are crucial for a seamless workflow. Guesty integrates with a wide variety of third-party apps, including Airbnb, Booking.com, and Zapier. This allows users to manage all their operations from one platform. On the other hand, Lodgify has fewer integrations, but it does integrate with major booking sites like Airbnb and Booking.com. When it comes to security, both Guesty and Lodgify take measures to protect user data. Guesty uses data encryption and secure cloud hosting. Lodgify also uses encryption and complies with the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. However, Guesty goes a step further with its ISO 27001 certification, a globally recognized standard for information security. Customer support is a key aspect of any service. Guesty offers 24/7 support via email, phone, and chat, along with a comprehensive knowledge base. Lodgify offers email and chat support, but it doesn't offer phone support. Additionally, some users have noted that Lodgify's response times can be slow. Based on our comparison, the winner is Guesty. It offers more advanced features, a wide array of integrations, superior security measures, and better customer support. While Lodgify's transparent pricing and website builder are commendable, Guesty's comprehensive solutions and personalized pricing make it a more robust platform for property managers. Thank you for watching our comparison of Guesty and Lodgify. We hope this video has been helpful in your decision-making process. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more comparison videos like this one. We appreciate your support.